Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
the first question says that a car takes 20 minutes to cover a distance of 15 kilometer. Okay, calculate its speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second. A car takes 20 minutes to cover a distance of 15. See, we need to find out speed. Let us do the answer of first question. So the first question says the time taken is 20 minutes. The time taken equals 20 minutes and the distance covered is 15 kilometer and the distance covered is 15 kilometer. Okay, how do we write speed? Speed equals distance by time. What is speed? Speed equals distance by time. What is the distance? It is 15 kilometer. What is the time? 20 minutes. Now the question is, they told us to find it in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. Okay, so first one we will do in kilometer per hour. So it is 15 kilometer by 20 minutes. So 21 minute. Is that clear? 20 into 1 minute. So can I write this as 15 kilometer by 20 into 1 minute will be 1 by 60 hour. So this will be 1 by 3 or it will be 15 into 3 kilometer per hour. That will be 45 kilometer per hour. Is that right? Have all of you got the idea? Is it clear? Sharon,
Yes, sir.
Sharon,
Yes, sir.
and
Sir,
both of
show
you
email.
turn on your camera. Both of you turn on your camera. Yes, and Sharon also turn on your camera. Okay, I can see both of you now. Okay, can both of you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, can you see this one? Is it clear to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good of you now. Okay, now shall we do the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next question says the distance between, oh, the next part says in meter per second. Okay, so we will do it in meter per second. Okay, now we can go from here also or we can go from the first page also. We have both of the options. We can go from any one of them. Suppose we are going from the start. So this is part A, that is in kilometer per hour. This is part B, that is in meter per second. Okay, let us go with part B. Now we again know speed equals to distance by time. Speed equals to distance by time. What is the distance? The distance is 15 kilometer by 20 minutes. Now we need to find out in meter per second. So 15 kilometer means 15 into 1 kilometer, right? 20 minute means 20 into 1 minute. Is that clear, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 15 into 1 kilometer will be 1000 meter, right? And 20 into 1 minute will be 60 seconds. Is that clear? Now
Yes, sir.
15 fours are 60 and this will be 50, this will be 2, that means this will be 25. So the answer will be 12.5 meter per second. Is the idea clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you write this down. Those who have not written it, write this down fast.
Sir, show previous one time.
Yeah,
My last one.
yes, have you
Okay,
done
sir.
this one?
Okay, sir.
Okay, write this down fast. We will move to the next question. After you complete this one, we will move to the next question. We will move to the next question.
Sir, show question number 2.
Question number 2. The
Uh,
distance
answer,
between,
answer. You should answer.
oh, answer of part, second part. Okay, write this down fast, Sharon. No.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Sharon, no, write this down fast. We need to move on to the next part. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second question. The distance between two towns is 400 kilometer. What is the distance? The distance is 400 kilometer. How much time would it take a car to cover this distance at an average speed 50 kilometer per hour? How much time would it take a car to cover this distance at an average speed 50 kilometer per hour? Okay. The question has two parts. The first part says the distance is 400 kilometer. So the distance is 400 kilometer, and the second part says the average speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So the average speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Now it has been asked how much time would it take a car to cover this distance. Now we need to find out the time. It has not been told that the time has to be in hour or minute or second, right? So we can find out in any of the units. So as hour is comfortable for us, we will find out the time in hour. Is that clear? Okay, now see, speed equals to distance by time, or we know time equals to distance by speed, right? The distance is 400 kilometer, the speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So we can cut this thing. This will be 8, so it will be 8 kilometer by kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour, can we write it in this way? Can we deduct both of the kilometers, and can we write
Yes, sir.
by taking hour at top, 8 hour? Can we write this one? So
Yes, sir.
So we will write the answer as the time taken to cover 400 kilometer at an average speed of 50 kilometer per hour will be 8 hour. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sharanya, have you
Yes,
written this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubhashish Datta, what is your name?
Shromana Datto.
Shromana, you are looking different from other day.
Because I have tied my hair.
Oh, okay. I cannot recognize you at the first time. Okay, that's good of you. You are looking nice and tidy. Okay, let us do number 3. Okay, a man driving at an average, we have done both of them. Now, a man driving at an average speed of 40 km per hour takes 6 hours to travel from one town to another. How much time is it taking? It is taking 6 hours to travel from one town to another. What is the distance between the towns? So what is the average speed? The average speed is 40 km per hour. What is the average speed? It is 40 km per hour. And it takes 6 hours. It takes 6 hours to travel from one town to another. What is the distance? Now, two things are given. First, they have given us the speed. What is the speed? They have told us that the speed is 40 km per hour. So, the speed is 40 km per hour. And now, they have also said that it takes 6 hours. So, what is the time taken? The time
6
taken
hours.
is 6 hours. Is that clear? Okay. Now we know speed equals distance by time. We need to find out the distance. So distance will be speed into time. The speed is 40 km per hour. The time is 6 hours. So it will be 40 into 6 kilometer hour by hour. We can cut both of these hours. 4 6 are 24. This will be 24 kilometers. So write down the answer as the distance between the two towns is 240 kilometer. Write down the distance between the two towns is 240 kilometer. The distance between the two towns is 240 kilometer. The distance between the two towns is 240 kilometers. Is that
Yes,
right?
sir, done.
Okay, done. Now, next we will be doing number 4. Plot a distance time graph for a body traveling at a speed of 2.5 meter per second. See, the question is plot a distance time graph for a body traveling at a speed of 2.5 meter per second. Okay, we need to plot a distance time graph. Now this one will be a little tough. Okay, I'm extending the page. This one will be a little conceptual and tough also. Okay, let us see this one. Number 1. This is question number 4. The speed is given. The speed is 2.5 meter per second. So the speed is 2.5 meter per second. In this kind of question, when we need to plot a graph between distance and time, first we need to make a checkbox. We need to make a checkbox. All of you make this checkbox with me. Okay, this is the checkbox. Now, we need at least 2 points, but it is better if you take 3 points in all. So this is distance, this is time. See, we know that speed equals to distance by time. Okay, or we can write distance equal to speed into time. As we know the speed is 2.5 meter per second, we can write distance equals 2.5 into time. Now, first if I put t equals 0, if I put t equals 0, then d will be 2.5 times 0. This will also be 0. Is that clear, Sharon? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that clear? What is your name? I forgot. Is that clear? Subhashis Datta, what is your name?
Yes, sir.
What is your name? What is your name?
Sromona.
Sromona. Okay. I am forgetting your name every time. Okay. So if this is t equals 0, then d will also be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
If t is 0, then d will also be 0. Okay. Now, next, if I write t equals 1, okay, let me write t equals 2. This will be easier for you. Let me write t equals 2. D will be 2.5 times 2, right? Sromona, can you tell me the value of d now?
5 meter.
5 meter. Very good. Now, if t equals to 4, d will be 2.5 times 4. Can you tell me its value now?
10.
This is 10 meter, right? So for t equals 0, this will be 0. T equals to, this will be 5. T equals 4, this will be 10. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so for all of these cases, we will plot a graph. Now to plot the graph, we can use a graph paper. Okay, let me see if I can find a graph.
Sir, I had done with a graph paper and sent you.
Okay, let me see a graph paper. Let me see if I can get a graph paper on internet. This will do the justice. Yes, this will do the justice. Okay. Let me see if I can download this one. Let me see if I can download this one. No download option is being given. Okay, wait. Let me see the other graph. If I can download any one of them. Let me see if I can download this graph paper.
স্যার মানে এমনি যে কোনো গ্রাফ পেপার ডাউনলোড করা যাবে তো?
Yeah, I don't have any kind of idea about that. Let me see if I can use this graph paper. I want to download this, but if I will be able to download it, then it's good. Yeah, this one is good. Let me see if I can download this one. See, I am not able. Yes, I have downloaded this one. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I have downloaded this one. Let me see if I find it in the download section. Yes, I have found that out. Wait. Okay, wait again. Wait for some time. Why is it not happening like that? Okay. Okay, let me see if I can do it in other ways also. Okay, let me see if I can take a screenshot of this one, and okay, I can also do one thing. I can print this one. Wait. Oh, wait. I can transfer it to image also. Convert, export all. Okay, let us do this. Let me see if I've done that, if I've got that one. Okay, in desktop, can I see that one? Do you see any image? Yes, I have got the graph one. These are 1-inch grid. No, I don't need this one. Okay, where are the rest of them? Wait, let me see if I get the graph page here also. I'm not seeing the graph page right now. Wait, all of you. I'm not seeing the graph page here. Okay, let me do it again. Wait, all of you wait. Let me do it.
Sir, you are doing in laptop or desktop?
I'm doing in desktop, Babu. Just wait for some time. Let me see if I can do it again. Okay, in desktop, let me save it in new folder 7. Okay. Okay, where is new folder 7? This one is new folder 7. Okay, it is not happening in that way. Okay, then I need to take a screenshot only. There is no other way. I have to take a screenshot only. Wait. Yeah, now it's done. Save. And this one I can transfer it here. Okay, this one I can transfer here. Done.
Sir, you are doing in your home now?
Yeah, I'm doing work from home. Okay, now we can see this one. This is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first we will draw the margins. Okay, first we will draw the margins. So let this be the margin. Let me draw the margin in this way. Okay, let this be the margin. So I am drawing by hand. That is why it may not seem perfect, but you can always understand. Okay, now what has been said is that this one, that is t equals 0, it will be 0. Okay, so let us plot this axis as time axis. Okay, we can write it as t, and let us plot this axis as distance axis. Let this be distance axis. Let us write this as d. Okay, now the distance is from 0 to 10 meter. So let us take the interval from 0 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh ho ho. 9, and this will be 10. Okay, and time from 0 to 4. Okay, let us redraw it. Let us redraw it. As we are getting short of the graph paper, let us redraw it. Wait, let us redraw it. Just wait for some time. Let us redraw it. Can all of you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us redraw it. Now, we will give this axis as the time axis. Okay. And we will give this axis as the distance axis. Now, the distance is from the distance is from 0 to 10. So let this be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Okay. And the base axis is from 0 to 4. So let us mark it in this way. Let this be 1, this be 2, this be 3, and this be 4. Done? Okay, now for 0, D is also 0. That means we are getting a point 0, 0. For 2, D is 5. So we are getting a point for 2, D is 5. We are getting this point. For 4, D is 10. So for 4, we are getting 10. Right? So this is the graph that we are getting. Now if we draw a straight line passing through these points, we will get a graph like this. This one is the distance time graph. This one is the distance time graph for speed equals 2.5 meter per second. Is it clear, Sharonno? Is it
Yes,
clear,
sir.
Somona?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think both of you have understood this one. Okay. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you
Yes,
turn
sir.
on, both of you turn on your video. Okay, have you drawn this one in your copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move on to the next question?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, now the next question. Let us do the next question. The next question says that the distance covered by a moving body over time is represented graphically in figure 6.9. Find the speed. We have to find the speed, right? We have to find the speed. Now when the time is 2 seconds, the distance is 2 meter, right? When the time is 3 seconds, the distance is 3 meter. When the time is 4 seconds, the distance is 4 meter, right? The graph that they have drawn, is not perfect. Okay, their graph is not perfect, but you have to understand that in this diagram it has been given in this way. Is that clear? So,
Yes, sir.
so what we will do is that we will copy this graph. Okay, what we will do, we will copy this graph. Let us copy this graph and see what we can do. Let us copy this graph. Let us copy this graph. Just wait for some time. Okay, now can we see this graph now? Can we see this graph now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me one thing. If I take a triangle like this, first understand what am I doing. I am taking a triangle. Okay, can I take a triangle like this? Can I take a triangle like this? In
Yes,
this
sir.
triangle, can you tell me this time? Is it 4 minus 1? Is this time 4 minus 1? This one is 4, this one is 1. So will it be 4 minus 1? Okay. I
Yes,
think you are
sir.
having problem. Okay, again. Tell me, what is the time from here to here? 4 seconds. Is that right? What is the time? The time is 4 seconds. Is that right? Somona, is that right? Somona?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is the time from this place to this place? Is it 1 second?
Ah,
Is it 1 second? Okay, then can you tell me what will be the in between time? this will be 4 minus 1, that is 3 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this time is 3 seconds. Can you tell me the in between distance? Can you tell me the in between distance? See, this one is 3 meter, right? This one is 1 meter. So can you tell
Sir, then
me?
2 meter.
Yes, this will be 3 minus 1. This will be 3 minus 1. That is 2 meter. Is that clear? Okay, now, so we can see how this person has traveled. So if we take the triangle, remember the slope of the triangle is always the speed. Okay, how can we find out slope? Slope will be height by base. If this is a triangle, a right angle triangle, that is triangle whose one angle is 90 degree, this one is height, this one is base, this one is height, and this one is base. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the height? The height is 2 meter. What is the base? The base is 3 seconds. So it will be 2 meter, it will be 2 meter by 3 seconds, or it will be 0.66 meter per second. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you do all of the questions numerical, all of the numericals of chapter 8 time and motion? Can you do now all of the numericals?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and doing class like this, is it helpful? Are you having any problem in audio?
No.
Are you having any problem viewing whatever I'm writing?
No.
Is it clear?
Ha.
Okay, okay. So bye bye, Shromona. It was nice having a
Bye
class
bye,
with
sir.
you. Okay, bye bye.